Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time.
Hey guys, Danny here. We are back today looking at another pair of earbuds. These were sent to me for review. As always, if you'd like to pick these up, I'll put a link down in the description for you. Now these are a very interesting pair. These are my favorite that I've reviewed so far. So you're definitely going to want to check these out. They do come in a pretty standard looking charging case, but it is packing a pretty high milliamp hour battery. It states 4000 milliamp hours, but I think it's actually lower. I'll talk about that later. This is the second pair of earbuds that I've tested that have a inbuilt display, but what's nice about these ones compared to the older ones I had on the right is they have a smaller design but still have the built-in display, and they aren't quite as heavy also, so they just feel nicer to carry around with you. I do also like the fact that the earbuds are using different colors. It does make it slightly easier to know which one goes in which side when you quickly take them out of the case. Not that this is usually an issue, but it just makes them stand out a little bit from some of the other earbuds that I've tested. The case itself is pretty good quality. The lid hinge feels a little bit flimsy, so I do wonder how that will last over time, but so far it's been okay. These earbuds are no different from any others. When you take them out of the case, they go into pairing mode or automatically connect to your phone, and when you put them back in the case, they will begin to charge and the inbuilt display then kicks in. Unfortunately, the inbuilt display has a different refresh rate to my camera, causing this flickering, which you can't see normally, so please bear that in mind. Every piece of footage you see, it will have this flickering, but it doesn't actually do that in person. Although having these built-in displays isn't really necessary, I do really like this. It just makes it super clear how long the earbuds have until they're fully charged and how much charge you have in the case. Of course, having this inbuilt display does sacrifice some space inside the case, which you could use for battery, but this product does have exceptional battery life already, so that's not going to be an issue here. They do also have touch sensitive buttons on the side, which allows you to pause, skip tracks, and do a bunch of other things like accept incoming calls, activate Siri on your device, and a bunch of other things, so they are quite handy in that way. You can quite easily pause music if your phone is far away from you. So I always try and test earbuds that I review as thoroughly as I can, and I often take them to the gym with me and wear them while I'm working out to see what the sound quality is like and how well they stay in my ear. So hopefully you enjoy this skipping footage coming up.
Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
So overall, I was really impressed with these earbuds. They really didn't move around much in my ears, and I just left these standard ear tips on them, which you can change for a more tighter, snug fit if you do find they move around a little bit when you're doing exercise, for example. The sound quality of these earbuds was perfectly fine for me, but I do always warn people that these are cheaper earbuds and they're not going to give you amazing sound. If you're coming from a more expensive pair of earbuds, or you're using wired earphones or something like that, these aren't going to be quite as good. But these did have decent bass and volume, and for me, I felt like they performed perfectly fine for just using them for day-to-day use at the gym, and you can even use these as a mini power bank to charge up your other devices. That does bring me back onto the battery though. There was one thing that I found a little bit strange, and in the manual it said that the battery case was using a 3500 mAh battery, whereas on Amazon it states it's a 4000 mAh battery. So this isn't good, because if this is correct, then they are not advertising the product correctly, which is a bit dubious. But I did get really good battery life with this product in the earbuds themselves and many charges out of the case, so I don't think you'll have an issue there. But as always guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I will put a link down in the description if you want to pick these up. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and of course I will see you in the next one.
can't take you there.